In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make yummiest pepper puff puff. Please stay tuned as we do our puff puff today. You can see how beautiful the puff puff looks like. Here is our recipe. We have 1 kg of flour. Then that 1 kg of flour, you can use 1 cup to measure it. 8 cups of flour. So what you have here is our yeast. This is 3 tbs of yeast. That's tablespoon of yeast. We have 1 cup of sugar. That's 250 ml. We have our pepper. We have our onions. We have our nutmeg. And finally our salt to taste. We have our salt. So in our bowl we have our 1 kg of flour. Have 1 cup of sugar. We have our yeast. Have our nutmeg. This is our salt. So you mix. My hand is completely washed, so you wash your hand before you start mixing. You can add sugar if you want according to your taste. You do it according to your, so you mix properly. Allow everything to incorporate. So if you are a new person in this channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is delicious food. I love you all, my returning subscribers, my supporters. I love you. You are my bestie. God bless you all. Please share this so that other people will learn how to do this puff puff. After mixing, you make a hole or a well in the middle and pour your water. So I add my water. You're going to add your water bit by bit. The consistency is supposed to get as you're doing your dough puff puff. Add your water. Don't forget we are doing puff puff, and that puff puff is bulky one. Pepper puff puff. Please tell me in your comment section if you'll be trying this at home. That puff puff is one of the Nigerian small chops recipe. It's one of Nigerian small chops recipe that every family must want to taste. Very yummy. You beat, you can see, you beat your puff puff. You beat it so that you don't have lumps in your puff puff. At this point, if you want to adjust the taste, you can. That's for sugar. But for me, so this is the texture we are going to get. So allow it to prove double the size or triple the size, and come back for it. So you use your flame this thing to cover it, so it will look like this with your flame, and now use this one to cover it so that it will be warm. We'll be right back. After 30 minutes, this is what we have. It has proven. So now it's time for us to add our pepper. This is our pepper. Don't worry, it will not pepper you, eh? If you pepper, you enjoy it a little. Don't forget we are doing pepper puff puff. So this is it. Don't forget to wash your hand properly. So beat and allow the air to go. Are you still there? Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is delicious food. We have beautiful and wonderful food to bring to your doorstep, to bring to you. Please share our video, like, comment. Tell us in the topic in our comment section whether we'll be trying this pepper puff puff. You'll love it. You will love it. You will love it. Oil. my vegetable oil. So at this point, I throw in my onions. It will add more flavor to the puff puff. So after 5 minutes of adding my pepper and onion, this is what we have again. So I will now show you how to scoop it inside your frying pan. Let's go. So this is how you scoop it. Gently bring your hand down. You can see it's very hot now. That's why once you're dropping it, it's coming up. Can you see it? This is the perfect way of molding your puff puff. And it's coming up. Please make sure you reduce your heat so it will not get burnt. Today's shout out goes to UK from Saudi Arabia. I love you so much. Thank you for your support. And also to Bless Lulu. God bless you as you always support me. God bless you so much. Please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And another thing you need to know concerning puff puff, make sure you use warm water. It will make the puff puff to proof faster than when you use cold water. Please use warm water and get your yeast, sieve your yeast. Make sure you sieve your yeast, sieve your flour properly. Rather, please sieve your flour and add whatever you want to add. Do your own thing by yourself. So this is the outcome of the puff puff. You can see it's very crispy and soft. I opened it, was very soft inside. I can see my pepper. You're seeing already something there is my pepper. So thank you for watching me. God bless you. Bye.